My dear children, today in this module, we are going to study a new chapter, that is, issue of debentures. Finance is the lifeblood of every business concern. A company or business organizations can raise funds from various sources. The important sources of funds can be classified on the basis of period, on the basis of source of generation, and on the basis of ownership. On the basis of period, funds can be divided into three. They are short-term funds, medium-term funds, and long-term funds. Then on the basis of source of generation, funds can be divided into two. They are internal sources and external sources. Then on the basis of ownership, the funds can be classified into two: borrowed funds and company's funds, that is owners funds. The various examples of owners funds are equity share capital and retained earnings. The various examples of borrowed funds or external sources are preference share capital, debentures, public deposits, loan from financial institutions, loan from banks or loan from money lenders, public deposits, trade credit, lease financing, factoring, etc. In this module, we are going to study the term debenture. In addition to raising of capital by the issue of shares, a company requiring funds on long-term basis, the company may borrow money by issue of debenture. A debenture issued by a company is usually in the form of a certificate given under the seal of the company. Thus, the debenture is a written acknowledgement of debt taken by the company, as these are issued under the seal of the company. A debenture certificate contains the terms of the repayment of the principal amount at a specified date and the terms of payment of interest at fixed percentage. According to Section 2, Subsection 12 of the Companies Act, a debenture includes debenture stocks, bonds, and any securities of a company, whether constituting a charge on the assets of the company or not. Debenture is an instrument issued by the company under the common seal as acknowledgement of a debt. It contains a contract for the repayment of the principal amount on or before a specified date and for the payment of interest at a fixed rate under the principal sum is repaid. Now we are going to study the important features of debentures. The first one is debenture is a certificate acknowledging the debt owned by a company to the person named therein. Then second point is it is a promise to repay the principal amount on or before a specified date. It is a promise of periodic payment of interest at a fixed rate. Precise details of the security, if any, is another example. Then another point is a debenture is issued by the company in the form of a certificate, which is a written acknowledgement of debt taken by the company. It is issued under the seal of the company. Debenture contains a contract for the repayment of principal sum at a specified date. Usually, debentures are issued within a specified rate of interest, which is called coupon rate. A debenture holder receives interest on his debentures at his specified date as mentioned in the debenture certificate. The payment of the interest is made normally after every 6 months, whether the company makes profit or not. The repayment of debenture amount to the debenture holder is known as redemption of debentures. A person who holds debenture certificate is known as debenture holder.